Hello guys, in this video we will solve a popular math question that many students tackle using the substitution method, but that can be time consuming. I will show you a smarter, quicker approach that saves valuable time, especially in exams where every second counts. In the end, the choice is yours, long way or the shortcut. So let's dive into the solution and see the difference. So as I told, we will use direct method. So according to exponent rule, if we have a power m into n, we can write this as a power m power n. This is called power of power rule. So according to this power of power rule, we can write this question as under root 2 minus 1 square all power 5 according to power of power rule. So now look at this section of the question. So we can use a formula which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now we will expand this question according to this formula. So let's expand this question according to this formula. Here a is equal to under root 2 and b is equal to 1. So it will become under root 2 square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square all power 5. So this square will cancel this square root, so it will become 2, and when 2 multiply with under root 2 and 1, so it will become 2 under root 2, and this 1 square will become 1. So 2 minus 2 under root 2 plus 1 all power 5. Now we will add this 1 with this 2, so it will become 3. So 3 minus 2 under root 2 all power 5. So now we will split this power 5 into two parts like this. 3 minus 2 under root 2 power 1 and 3 minus 2 under root 2 power 4, because here power is 1 and here power is 4. So according to mathematics rule, when base is same, the power is added. So if we add this 1 with this 4, so 1 plus 4 equal to 5. As for example, according to exponent rule, if we have a power n into a power 1 into a power 4, so this is equal to a power 4 plus 1, which is equal to a power 5. So we have expanded a power 5 in the form of this, like here. So now we will solve this part of this question, and we will take down this part as such. So look over here, we can write this power 4 as square power 2. So now again we will expand this 3 minus 2 under root 2 square according to the formula, which is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's expand this again. So this will become, this part will come down as such, and this will become a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here b is 2 under root 2 and all power 2, this all power 2. Now this will become 9. 3 times 3 equal to 9, and this 2 times 3 times 2 equal to 12 under root 2, and this 2 times 2 equal to 4, and this square will cancel this square root, so it will become 4 times 2 equal to 8 and power 2. And now we will add this 8 with this 9, so it will become 17, like this. 17 minus 12 under root 2 all power 2. So once again we will expand this part of the question according to the previous formula, which is a minus b whole square. So let's expand it. So this part will come as such in the question, and this will become a square, that is 17 square minus 2a, here a is 17, b is 12 under root 2, b plus b square, b is 12 under root 2, so b square, which will become, this will come down as such, and 17 square is 289 minus 2 times 17 times 12 is equal to 408 and under root 2, and 12 12 times 12 equal to 144 times 2 equal to 288. Why 2? Because this square will cancel this square root. So 12 times 12 equal to 144 times 2 equal to 288. Now we will add this 288 with this 289 minus 408 under root 2. So our question will become 577 minus 408 under root 2, and then we will multiply this 3 with this 577, then we multiply this 3 with 408 under root 2, then we multiply 2 under root 2 with 577, and finally we will multiply this 2 under root 2 with 408 under root 2. So let's multiply. So when we multiply this 3 with 577, so it will become 1731, and when we multiply this 3 with 408, so it will become 1224 under root 2. Then we will multiply this 2 under root 2 with 577, so it will become 1154 under root 2, and then we multiply this 2 under root 2 with this 408 under root 2. So 2 multiply 408, it will become 816, and under root 2 equals 2. So 816 multiply 2 equal to 1632. And finally we will add this 1632 with 1731, so it will become 3363, and we will add this 1224 under root 2 with 1154 under root 2, so it will become 2378 under root 2. And this is the answer of our question. And the question was under root 2 minus 1 all power 10 equal to 3363 minus 2378 times under root 2. This is your answer. Now, if you have seen the solution of this question by substitution method, so there are a lot of steps and a lot of time consuming. So this was a short way and shortcut. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.